Did you know that nearly 60% of fitness enthusiasts give up on their strength training goals because they feel stuck? If you're one of them, you might be missing out on one of the most powerful exercises out there, explosive push-ups. In today's video, I'll show you how to master this dynamic movement to build strength, increase your vertical jump, and transform your workout routine. Hello everyone. I'm here, a certified health coach and fitness trainer with over 5 years of experience in the fitness industry. Throughout my journey, I've helped countless individuals unlock their true strength potential, and I've personally struggled with plateauing in my workouts. After incorporating explosive push-ups, I saw dramatic improvements not just in my upper body strength but in my overall performance. I'm excited to share these insights with you today. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about explosive push-ups. We'll cover the mechanics of the movement, how to progress safely, and the best variations to boost your strength. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to incorporate explosive push-ups into your routine and tips on overcoming common challenges. Let's jump right in. Many individuals struggle to gain muscle and power for several reasons. Stagnant training routines, repeating the same exercises leads to adaptation, causing your progress to plateau. Lack of explosive power, many strength-building exercises focus solely on endurance and not on the explosive movements that engage fast-twitch muscle fibers essential for strength and power. Poor technique. If your form isn't on point, you can miss out on the benefits of explosive movements and even risk injury. These issues can affect your fitness goals and overall well-being. Imagine investing countless hours in the gym without seeing the desired results. This can lead to frustration, decreased motivation, and even injuries that set you back further. By learning how to effectively perform explosive push-ups, you can break free from this cycle and start seeing real progress. Take Jake for instance. He was a regular at the gym but never seemed to gain the muscle he wanted. After working together, we discovered that he was missing out on explosive movements in his training. Once we incorporated explosive push-ups, he not only saw his strength increase but also improved his vertical leap in basketball. His transformation is proof that the right techniques can yield significant results. To tackle the challenges of gaining muscle and power, we'll focus on explosive push-ups. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups and trains your body to generate power quickly, crucial for various sports and fitness activities. Mastering the basic push-up 1-2 minutes. Building upper body power 1-2 minutes, incorporate exercises like bench presses and tricep dips to build the strength necessary for explosive movements. This foundational strength will make explosive push-ups more effective. Learning the explosive push-up technique 1-2 minutes, start in a push-up position. As you lower your body, engage your core and push off the ground with enough force to lift your hands off the floor momentarily. Land softly to absorb the impact and repeat. Start with 3 sets of 5-10 reps, progressing to variations 1-2 minutes. Once you feel comfortable, try variations like clapping push-ups, where you clap your hands between push-ups, or using an elevated surface to increase the difficulty. Aim for 3 sets of 5-8 reps of these advanced variations, integrating into your routine 1-2 minutes. Incorporate explosive push-ups into your workout 2 to 3 times a week, ensuring you balance them with strength and endurance training. This will optimize your results without risking overtraining. Explosive push-ups train your fast-twitch muscle fibers, essential for generating power. According to research published in the Journal of Sports Science, explosive movements enhance muscle recruitment, leading to greater strength gains. This muscle engagement is crucial for athletes looking to improve their performance in sports requiring quick bursts of power. Fitness expert Dr. Jim Stoppani emphasizes, to maximize muscle growth, you need to challenge your muscles with explosive movements that trigger the body's natural adaptation process. This highlights the importance of incorporating exercises like explosive push-ups into your training regimen. Diagrams illustrating muscle activation during explosive push-ups. Charts showing the benefits of explosive movements versus traditional strength training. Basic push-up. Demonstrate proper form, emphasizing body alignment and core engagement. Explosive push-up. Show how to push off the ground and demonstrate different variations like clapping push-ups. Strength builders provide brief demonstrations of supplementary exercises, such as bench presses and tricep dips. Use on-screen text to highlight key points during demonstrations. Include slow-motion clips of explosive push-ups to emphasize technique. Addressing common challenges for 5 minutes. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Inadequate warm-up. Always warm up to prepare your muscles and joints for explosive movements. Poor form. Make sure your push-ups are performed with proper technique to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and setting small, achievable goals. Remember, mastering explosive push-ups takes time, so be patient with yourself. Consistency is key. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried explosive push-ups before? What challenges did you face? Share your experiences in the comments, and I'll respond to your questions.